Okay, it's pretty clear. I made a mistake buying the base. 3, 2, 1, blitz it. Another day driving. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be doing more driving, but not my 991. We're going to be driving my friend Mario's 991, first generation Carrera S. Let's go check it out. Let's do that again. You need to speak up a little louder than you usually do.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
What was that from?
From Talladega Nights.
If you don't chew Big Red, then you. All right, Mario, let's go. Hello everyone, and this is Mario.
Hi.
Say hello, Mario.
Hi, how are you?
I'm pretty good. I'm excited to be driving the Carrera S. You trust me behind the wheel of this thing?
Yes.
I didn't bring a knife, and my nickname is not Break Snap.
I raised my insurance just for today.
I got an English maniac coming to drive my car. So, when you had the 997 and I had the 997, and I moved up to the 991, was it just straight up coincidence that you bought this within like a couple of days?
Nope, it was not. Like, I saw your car, I really like it, and I say, why not? Like I got to the top of the upgrades on my car. I couldn't do anything else.
Right.
So that's why that combined with you buying it, it motivates me to buy it.
Does your wife hate me?
No, not really. A little bit.
A little bit. So why did you go for the S over the Carrera, the base? And that might be an obvious question, but to me, I wasn't sure I wanted to spend like that extra 8 or 10 grand to get the S, and I thought the Carrera was enough for me.
Well, since I got the 997S, I thought it was the right thing to do.
Right.
To go to an RS, like not going to lower level. You want to say it?
Right.
Like,
you might be trading up a generation, but you'd be trading down performance. Right.
There we go. That's
Fair
what
enough.
I'm trying to say.
I gotcha. Yeah, because I just went from base Carrera to base Carrera.
Exactly. So that's what I know, and the S, I like it. So I'm like, why not?
Right. And when we did our little drag race earlier, I was humbled by how quickly you pulled away from me. Are you ready? Let's get down to second gear, okay? 3, 2, 1, blitz it. Well, that's it. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, but it feels good. It feels good. It didn't feel good with the 991.2.
Mm-hmm.
But it feels good, this one right now.
Yeah, very good. So you've only had the car a couple of months, but you've already started to style it, and like you did for the 997, and make it your own. Yeah. So what have you done?
So far, I did AFE air intake.
Okay.
I got a EuroCharged tune.
Yeah.
And I got the Soul Performance headers, catless.
Very nice. And so that's helped with the performance and the sound of the car.
A lot. You get a lot of crackles.
Right. And you got the sports. I can't believe I haven't pressed the button yet.
Because we are at 25 miles per hour. So let's exit. Let's exit from here first.
That button to me is worth the $3.5 grand that it would cost me to upgrade. Oh, plus the labor, so it would be $5 grand basically to get the sports exhaust. So yeah, your 997 was manual and you really like the PDK now.
Correct. I don't know if you remember that when I first got the car, I made some comments about missing the manual transmission.
That's right. And then you get to do something like this.
Yep, and the more I...
Holy shit! Oh my god. That's insane. So, wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, so talking to the other guys in the group, they told me you should drive it more, the paddle shift, the manual transmission, the manual.
Yeah.
And that's what I've been doing. And
okay.
Let me tell you, I will not go back to manual transmission.
Really? Okay.
This is it. PDK is the beep.
It is the beep.
Yeah.
How would you say that in Spanish? That would be the beep.
Está bien chingón.
Okay. So pass me your Manly radio for a second. I'm going to turn that off.
My pink one?
I gave Mario a pink radio.
Which I'm in love with.
Well, you know, Luke is going to be jealous because Luke and Adam have got pink, yellow, and blue. We lost the blue one, so we've now just got yellow and pink. Let's do that again.
Do it on the Sport Plus.
Sport Plus?
Yeah.
Okay. Sport Plus and Sports Exhaust. My smile can't get any bigger. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, that's amazing. That's amazing, I admit it.
I have never sat on this side. You can really feel.
Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, like my heart's jumping into my mouth. So when I went from, let's turn Sports Plus off. When I went from my base Carrera to the 991 base, I felt a massive performance, you know, sort of uplift. I got an extra 25 horses, 325 to 350. You've gone from 350 to 400, haven't you?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, so I got an uplift of 25. You got an uplift of 400. Now, do you reckon it's, you know, you're getting bang for your buck? Because I'm looking online and the average base Carrera 991 is selling for about 45,000 according to Edmunds, and then the average S, same generation, you know, assuming the same kind of mileage or whatever, the average cost at the moment of a used S is about 54. So that's what, a 17 or 18% increase in price.
Mm-hmm.
And with the horsepower and torque, you're probably getting 15 or 16% increase in power. Or maybe it's about the same, I'm not sure off the top of my head. But, you know, 45 to 54 price-wise,
mm-hmm.
and then 350 horsepower to 400 horsepower. Yeah, you're probably getting, like, dollar for dollar, an extra horse.
You can feel a big difference.
Yeah.
50 extra horsepower from the 997.
Yeah.
Plus the PDK transmission.
Yes.
It's day and night.
Yeah. And now plus your tune.
Plus tune.
And your headers, and yeah, wow.
You can really, and the wider tires.
Wide, yeah.
They really get a lot of traction.
I think the best thing you can do is to go home in that base and just let me take this.
No English.
Is that really no speaking English?
Lo siento, amigo. No sé de qué hablas.
Well, this is really interesting because I thought I was going to be like absolutely salivating and over Chris's second gen 991, and I am in terms of how it looks, but performance-wise, you know, I think that was 375, and this is 400 plus your tune, so you're probably at 425 or more now, plus your headers. Who knows? I didn't feel like I was missing out on too much when I was driving Chris's, even though it's the next generation. Where with this, yeah, I'm like kind of kicking myself a little bit now that I didn't go for the S. Because the other thing to consider is that the S holds its value longer.
Yep.
Right, so mine's going to depreciate faster than yours. Oh, you've got half as many miles on, but you know, if all things were equal, yours is going to hold true longer than mine.
Yep. But I was like this close to go for the 991.2.
Yeah.
Like a month ago, I think, or 3 weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Just after seeing everything that you can get done.
Yeah.
On those twin turbos.
Yeah, yeah.
But like after thinking about it, I have a really nice car.
Yeah, you do.
It's pretty fast.
Yeah.
It's not like there's always gonna be the faster car.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah, always.
But it's a really nice, well taken care car. Nice mileage.
Yeah.
Fast. So I'm just gonna stay with it for another 2 years or so until I move.
Yeah, and it's in great condition.
Yes, it is.
I mean, the person's obviously taken a lot of care of it before you got hold of it. Well, Mario, I'm going to hand you back your Carrera S reluctantly, with no rock chips or damage. Wow, you guys, that was so much fun. I think I am missing out by not having the S. It's not to say that I don't like my car anymore, but wow, that was such a rush. Amazing. 400 plus horsepower with the tunes, his sports exhaust, it all just goes together beautifully. Just an absolutely gorgeous car. So that's it for another video. I'm going to be driving another Carrera S soon, my friend Ben, and he has a very different Carrera S to Mario's. I'm looking forward to making that video, and then hopefully another 997 video. So as ever, thanks for tuning in, watch this space, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.